Welcome to Next Trekking Adventure. We hope that you'll like and subscribe to our channel. On this episode, we take you to La Paguera to do some snorkeling and see the bioluminescence.
Bring it in a little bit. So we were out with Paradise Scuba, and
then after our excursions, we have a little shenanigans.
okay, so we did about a 30-minute drive heading east and came to
Bio Bay Parguera Sunset Snorkel. Paradise Scuba and Snorkel.
So yeah, there's a lot of the bioluminescence, a lot of the snorkeling tours. It's going to be in this cute little town,
Lajas.
but it's just super cute, and the spelling is right on that building right there. We'll put it up on the thing. But this town, on first impressions, is super cute, and yeah, we're excited to see the bioluminescence on this side of the island.
Yeah.
So,
and this time we get to get in the water.
yeah, we're gonna snorkel.
Last time we couldn't.
Yeah.
It was just a kayak.
So, like most bioluminescence, probably not much in camera or photos and stuff or video, but we'll capture what we can and share with what we can. But yeah, this is a cute little town. Yeah. So lots of cute little places here in Puerto Rico. So we're gonna walk around.
Yeah. Let's take them with us.
Yeah, and take you with you.
Yeah.
Okay, let's do it.
We had some time before our tour began, and so we just wanted to tour around the town and see what there is to see. It seemed to be a little bit of a sleepy town until night, and then it came alive with music and live bands. But for now, we're just going to walk around and see what there is to see. With lots of cute little boutique stores with handmade items. Terry was in love seeing all the cute things, but the town really reminds me of that classic Caribbean small town, almost Key West type of a town. It's really got a great vibe to it. I have a special connection behind these hemp friendship bracelets or bracelets. One of the things I do when I go on trips or vacations is I make these for the people who travel with us. And I have made them for a lot of people over the years in a lot of different locations. And if you're one of those people and you're watching this video right now, show a picture, give a thumbs up, make a comment about the bracelet and where you were at when you got your first bracelet from me. Well, it was getting close to our start time to our excursion, so we headed towards the dive shop. And, you know, we can't help but spend some money there too.
That's some cool stuff.
Well, with our shopping done, we grabbed our gear and we headed to the boat. Kind of a unique boat setup. You kind of go through their boathouse to get to the boat. And like a lot of the different marinas, there's going to be those big tarpons. They're there because the fishermen clean their fish and they're hoping for a free lunch. Once you leave the docks, it's really about a 20-minute boat ride. For the most part, you're just slowly motoring, and then when they get away from some of the cays or some of the little islands, they'll turn it up a little bit, but they don't go very fast out there. And about the time you're going, oh, how far are we going? You're pulling up on the mooring buoy, you hook up, and the reef is right there. Unfortunately, if you followed our episodes, I joked around about that dollar store cell phone protector. Well, I jumped into video with my cell phone cover, which I had done in almost all of these videos. And the first thing I noticed was that it was leaking. So I handed it back up to Terry, who's still on the boat, and unfortunately, we didn't get any video. And unfortunately, didn't get any video either of the bioluminescence. But the tour was great. The snorkeling, a lot of coral. Very few fish because it goes way deep, and the fish just kind of see you coming and they bail. But there was a lot of coral, really good coral reef. So we were out with Paradise Scuba. And the deal is you go out, you snorkel out on the reef for about, what did we do, 40 minutes?
Yeah, I'd say.
Yeah, 45 minutes. And then they come back in, and we're here at the dock, and I'll just kind of spin it around. And actually, the light's probably pretty bit better that way. So, yeah, we here for about 20 minutes, and then we eat dinner. There's a couple big coolers on the boat behind us there, and you just grab what you want, and beer, soda, water,
anything.
Anything. And yeah, so as the sun's going down, we'll head out to the bioluminescent bay, and then we get to jump in the water there. And I'm really hoping we get some video.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's gonna be so cool.
Yeah. The bioluminescence, with every splash of the water is this glow, like from a glow stick, or little.
Last time it was blue. I wonder what color it'll be.
Yeah, kind of a bluish, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So the problem is that it takes a lot to capture anything on a cell phone. I do have a GoPro, which we're recording on right now is a GoPro, and I'm hoping maybe the GoPro, maybe we get a little bit better action with the GoPro. So we'll see. All right, we'll see you out in the water. Paradise crew fed us dinner. really good chicken salad wraps. Then we jumped back onto the boat and we headed out to the bioluminescent bay. But we did have an unexpected stop on one of the cays out there, and it actually was really cool. They docked along a little swimming area, and then you could walk around and tour the cay. We're going to show you those. It was really cool. It would have been a great place to spend the day. There's just something about being on a boat, motoring out, watching the water go by. Sunset wasn't about half bad either. It was really a great time to be on the water. We had some time to kill, so they brought us out to this island, pulled up to the dock, and said, everybody get out. You've got about 20 minutes to explore the island. So we took advantage of that. This area is a perfect place to pull up or get dropped off for the day, and I know that there's boats that will do that and just spend the day on this little island. There's swimming areas, picnic areas, bathrooms, a safe swimming area. I mean, it had everything. The lighting's not great right now, so you can't really tell the color of the beach, but this place is phenomenal. This would have been a great place to have a picnic and spend the day with your family, swimming in the water, barbecuing. What a great location. On the reef side of the island, it gets a little shallower, and you can tell that there's some coral on the beach itself. So this wouldn't be a great place to swim necessarily, but you can see somebody built a little tide pool, and Terry and Amy took that opportunity to do some selfies there. So it was a good time. Really good stop for the boat.
Is it a better heart this way? Yeah.
We made our way around the island and we came to the boardwalk that completes the circle back to the docks. But what a neat island, what a neat place to be at. Lots of photo opportunities. As we walked around this little island, I couldn't help but to think of Gilligan's Island, and I know somewhere along this coastline they have an area they refer to as Gilligan's Island. I'm not sure exactly where that's at, but yeah, I couldn't get that song out of my head. Well, with the sun going down, we jumped back on the boat and we headed out to the bioluminescent bay. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to capture anything that wasn't just pitch black on my GoPro. So we don't really have any decent photos to put up of the bioluminescent bay. The colors were a little different. In Vieques, the luminescence were blue, and these were kind of a white. It was a unique experience because we got to snorkel in the water as opposed to being in a kayak. It really is an experience of a lifetime. It is so hard to describe to people how the bioluminescence will streak down your hair and make it light up, and it's amazing. You have to experience it in your lifetime. With the tour over, we wanted to see what the town was like at night, so we walked around again just to kind of get that night vibe. Really cool vibe at night as well. Yeah, so I read a sign that said dance like no one's watching. Now I need bail money. With my one-man dance party over, we need to head out of town. We had about a 30-40 minute drive back to El Combate, and we needed to get out of there before the policia came, looking for the guy who committed crimes against humanity. But hey, we're going to leave you here with this. It's a good place to end. We'll see you
on our next trekking adventure.
Bio Bay Parguera Sunset Snorkel. In his Tesla, and it's in self-driving. And so he decided to put it on self-drive, and then he was watching a movie, and then his car wrecked.